Ooh, I like the music. Aww. So it's like a Playboy Playmate. Just get done shopping. Oh, she sees a man. What a creepy look! He's like, I want to wear your skin. Yeah, she looks a little Oh! Did you see that little grin she gave him? Yo, this is not a guy you want to bring home. What'd she give him? Ooh, another smirk! This guy is definitely a serial killer. Oh! A naughty tongue? Oh boy, that's gonna be a... Never mind. Try to keep it PG. Is she a bartender in her own apartment?